What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this trading video where we're going to be setting up another one of our income streams. This income stream is going to be Sprizzy. Now, if you haven't heard of Sprizzy, what Sprizzy is going to do is it's going to take your already published YouTube videos and it's going to run AI-driven Google ads. So this is going to allow you to target the right market, get instant traffic from the right regions, and allow you to scale your YouTube and get more traffic to our sales funnel, which is going to, in return, get you leads, get you buyer leads, and make you money. So let's jump over to the screen and I'll walk you through how to set this up. This is going to be short and sweet. These trainings do not take very long and they're very simple to get set up. So let's jump over it. All right, guys, so what you're seeing here is our back office of Sprizzy. We have our first video set up, which is our done for you money-making system for Axle AI, which we set up as one of our first systems with this sales funnel. So in order to get access to Sprizzy, what you're going to want to do is beside this video, let's jump over to the page. So at the very bottom here, you're going to see set up your Sprizzy YouTube ads. So click here to start for free. So once you click that button, you're going to be brought over to this page. Now, all you want to do is sign in with your YouTube account, and it's going to link your YouTube account to Sprizzy, and you're going to sign up under us or under whoever system you are on, because again, this system is 100% replicatable, and you can have your very own system where I do all the training and I do all the hard work and you make commissions. So go out there, set up your Sprizzy account. Once you've done so, you're going to want to go into your Sprizzy back office. As you see here, we're going to go under where our email is, and then we're going to click and get our referrals to earn free views. So as you see here, we're going to grab our referral link and we're going to go back over to our funnel. So inside of the endless lead building system, you're going to go under the sales page and you're going to click on edit. Now, in order to add this link, we're going to scroll all the way down to where we see set up our Sprizzy YouTube ads. We're going to find this button right here and we're just going to click and paste our link in here. We want to make sure it's on open in a new window and we're going to click save and exit. So now what we want to do is make sure that our link is working fine. So we're going to view this funnel step and we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to click on our Sprizzy ad here. It's going to bring us over to our affiliate link and boom, now you guys are set up to make commissions. But as you guys see here, there's a button up at the top as well. So how do we change that button? Well, let me show you. We'll go back over to our funnels. We're going to click on edit page. And now if you've done this before, you should already know what's going on and what's needed to be done here. So you can go over to this menu bar. On the menu bar, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to want to do Sprizzy. And we're going to paste our affiliate link, open a new tab, and we're going to save the changes again. So now once we exit, we can close out this tab. We'll do a quick refresh. And now when we click the Sprizzy button up at the top, your affiliate link should be embedded as well. You'll see the affiliate link ID up here, which is tied to mine, and they're over at our page. Okay, so the goal with this system, as I've said in many videos before, is you want to build an email list. So with systeme.io, you're going to be able to build and copy our sales funnels. You're going to be able to build and copy our email funnels. You're going to be able to earn from 5 different income streams in this one system alone. As you guys see here, Systeme is one income. My lead gen secret, which I've earned over $11,000 from. Udemy, which is our solo ads. vidIQ, which is going to help us upload videos. And then once those videos are uploaded, we're going to use Sprizzy to get traffic to those videos. All right, so this is a complete done for you lead generating and buyer lead generating machine. So go ahead, set up Sprizzy, and we'll see you guys in the next training video.